I'm AJ Gutierrez.
And I'm Andre Zamora.
And this is your Flood H2O News! Hello, I'm AJ Gutierrez.
And I'm Andre Zamora.
And this is your Flood H2O News. Today we have a very nice, great show. Live from the Colorado State Fair Palace of Agriculture. Ag Palace.
Ag. A-G. Ag.
Ag.
Awesome God.
At the Pueblo Men's Ministry Coalition Restoration Men's Conference.
Seen a few of you there.
Today, I have a very special guest, a reunition. That's not even a word.
Reunation.
That's not even a word.
Reunited and it feels
That's not
so
a word.
Good.
But anyways, I am reuniting with a great friend. A great friend who's been there for a year. He's been away for about a year and promised that he would come back.
And he did.
But now, I get to see him. Everybody, let's welcome this week's guest, amazing star, Mike Hansen.
Anyways, yeah,
Hello, sir.
I'm glad I'm here.
Hello.
Hello.
Mike was a good friend, and he is formerly with the Pastor Jamie's Refuge School of Ministry. Now he's in Greeley doing an internship,
Nice.
working on a farm, throwing hay bales. He says with one hand he could throw a hay bale up 20 feet in the air.
20 stories.
20 stories.
20 stories.
That'd be
With
more
two
than
hands.
20 feet.
30 stories. That's very ridiculous. But anyways, to today's news. Today's news, we have the also amazing Great Pumpkin Chase coming to you on October 30th, 2010. Also, times before that, we are going to have October 8th, the volleyball blowout.
That would be
Volleyball blowout.
Get the 10 now.
And this month's sermon series, just to let you know, is Shape Up.
Circle's a shape. So is a triangle. Or you could
Shape Up. Thank you for watching tonight's show. It was a great pleasure. We're here live. I'm AJ Gutierrez.
And I'm Andre Zamora.
No, you're not.
And I'm Mike Hansen, and it is very hot.
This is Pete Cassell.
Pete Cassell.
And that is it from
Are you
the
related to Peacock?
State Fair Agriculture Palace. Thank you.